Living in Austin means experiencing the beauty of a vibrant, growing city with unique weather conditions. From the humid, rainy seasons to the scorching summer heat, your home's exterior can take a beating. Over time, dirt, grime, algae, and mildew can accumulate, making your home look worn down and neglected. That's where residential pressure washing comes in. It's a highly effective method for cleaning and maintaining your home's exterior surfaces, and the benefits go beyond just improving curb appeal. In this article, we'll explore the top reasons why Austin residents should consider residential pressure washing for their homes. Boost curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior is the first thing people see when they visit. Whether you're planning to sell your home, hosting guests, or just want to keep it looking fresh, curb appeal is essential. Over time, dirt, leaves, mildew, and even algae can build up on your siding, driveway, and walkways, making your home appear neglected. Pressure washing quickly removes these unsightly stains, restoring the original beauty of your home's exterior. Whether you have vinyl siding, brick, or stucco, pressure washing can bring back the fresh, vibrant look of your home, making it appear cleaner and more well-maintained. A clean exterior can not only enhance your home's overall appearance but can also raise its value, especially if you're looking to sell. Protect your home from damage. Austin's climate can be tough on your home's exterior surfaces. The intense sun, combined with seasonal humidity, creates a perfect environment for mold, mildew, algae, and other contaminants to thrive. Over time, these substances can cause damage to your siding, decking, and even your roof. Pressure washing doesn't just clean, it prevents damage. By regularly removing buildup from your home's surfaces, you're preventing mold and mildew from eating away at your siding or causing rot on wooden surfaces. For example, algae and mold on your roof can cause shingles to deteriorate prematurely. Regular pressure washing removes these contaminants, preserving the integrity of your home's materials and extending the lifespan of your property. Improve health and hygiene. It's not just about aesthetics. Mold, mildew, and algae are not only unsightly but also harmful to your health. Mold spores, in particular, can contribute to respiratory issues, allergies, and asthma. If you or a family member is sensitive to allergens, pressure washing can significantly improve the air quality around your home. By removing harmful substances from your home's exterior surfaces, you're reducing the risk of mold and mildew spreading to the interior of your house. This can help keep your home's environment healthier and more comfortable for you and your loved ones. Increase property value. If you're considering selling your home, it's essential to make sure it's in top condition before listing. Pressure washing is an affordable way to make your property look well maintained and more appealing to potential buyers. A home that looks clean and well cared for from the outside can significantly increase its perceived value and attract more interest from buyers. A clean home exterior gives buyers confidence that the house is in good condition and that the owner has taken the time to properly care for it. If you want to make your home stand out in the competitive Austin real estate market, pressure washing is a smart, cost-effective investment. Save time and money on long-term maintenance. While it might seem easier to let dirt and grime build up on your home, ignoring maintenance can lead to bigger issues down the road. Mold, algae, and mildew can cause structural damage to your home's exterior, leading to costly repairs or replacements. For instance, untreated mold can cause siding to rot, and algae growth can damage your roof shingles. By investing in regular pressure washing, you're preventing long-term damage and saving money on expensive repairs. Pressure washing helps maintain the integrity of your home's surfaces, ultimately reducing the need for major repairs and extending the lifespan of your property. In the long run, it's a smart financial decision that saves you both time and money. Eco-friendly and chemical-free cleaning. One of the great things about pressure washing is that it's an environmentally friendly cleaning solution. Unlike traditional cleaning methods that may require harsh chemicals, pressure washing uses high-pressure water to remove dirt, grime, and other contaminants from surfaces without relying on toxic cleaning agents. Many pressure washing companies even offer biodegradable and eco-friendly detergents for tougher stains. This means you can enjoy a cleaner home without the environmental impact of harmful chemicals, making pressure washing an excellent option for homeowners who are conscious of sustainability and the environment. Maintain your driveways and walkways. Your home's driveways and walkways are some of the most high-traffic areas around your property, and they can get dirty quickly. Oil stains, dirt, mildew, and moss can build up, making these areas look unattractive and worn down. Pressure washing is an efficient way to remove these stains and restore the clean, neat appearance of your walkways and driveway. A clean driveway not only makes your property look better but also improves safety. Moss and algae can make concrete or stone surfaces slippery, increasing the risk of falls. By pressure washing regularly, you can eliminate these hazards and keep your outdoor spaces safe and appealing. Conclusion: regular residential pressure washing offers numerous benefits for Austin homeowners, from improving curb appeal and protecting your home from damage to increasing property value and promoting a healthier living environment. Whether you're preparing your home for sale, preventing long-term damage, or simply maintaining its beauty, pressure washing is an easy and effective solution. By choosing a trusted professional pressure washing service, you can keep your Austin home looking pristine, well-maintained, and safe. If you're ready to boost your home's appearance and protect your investment, contact a local pressure washing company today and enjoy the many advantages of a clean, well-cared-for home.